Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome to our channel, that is my Solid Master. So today in our session, we will start to convert the string into integer using Python in VS Code. So generally in Python, and string can be converted into an integer using Python building function. However, it is important to note that the string must be represent a valid integer value for conversion to succeed. That means if we put the valid value in our coding so that we can convert the string easily. So for this I will show you in VS Code. I will minimize this one. Now we have opened our Visual Studio Code in Python. So I will put here one example. So our first example will be x is equal to input. Input first I will give here enter and first number, and I will give here semicolon and space. So that why I have given here space, so that we can put our number in that string in our output terminal. So that is the reason I have given here space. So I will put here next one my variable, that is x1 is equal to int, that is our integer x. I will put here. Now for our second one, I will put here, for our second number I will put here y variable input brackets. I will put here string double inverted commas, enter, and second number. So for this also I will put here semicolon, space, and y1. Again I will put here a variable y1 is equal to integer in short form y. Now for the output I will print here print x1 plus y1. Now this is our first example. I am showing you. I will run this here, run. So it shows me enter and first number. So in our output terminal, I will put here any number like 2500, enter. Second number will be 7000, enter. It gives me the total number here 9500. So we have converted our string into integer number like this. If I give here minus, sorry, then it will give me another output. If I run the program and I will put here, sorry, here not, in our output terminal, then it will give me like this output, because I have changed here our variable, change here our operator minus, so it gives me minus value. So this is our first example I have shown here. Second one is same like that only. The only difference in our coding, in our syntax. So for that, a is equal to, I will put here first example is 2. Now I will give here comment a is equal to integer bracket input, again curly bracket close, string, apply here string, enter, and first number. So here I have used here double brackets. First this one bracket and after that this one. One thing is to be remain here, all brackets should be in close, otherwise if we open it then it will give this error like this. So make sure that all the brackets should be closed. So now again I will put here another variable, that is b, small b, is equal to integer into enter and second number. Now I will print here, print a plus b. You can add here is equal to or division, whatever you want, like asterisk instead of plus. I will put here asterisk, that is multiplication. So now I will print here. First, before the print, I will give this comment and I will run this program. So it gives me first number. I will put here any number. Sorry, not here. So like this, it gives me the number. Output number will be this one. So this is our this session, convert string into integer using Python built-in function. So I hope you get my idea here how to convert it string into integer. So in the next session we will show you how to use control flows in Python. So thank you for watching it. Stay blessed.